Hello everyone, Miguel here with Vacation Angels. Today I wanted to show you how I'm going to clean a stainless steel refrigerator. So let me show you what I'm working with right here. They just recently did a fumigation here in the home, but I noticed you see those streaks on the stainless steel there. It does have some damage there. You can see right here. This is damaged, but I'm going to try to get all this off here. All these fingerprints, and I mean, you can just see, where we normally open the refrigerator, it's all, dirty with fingerprints. So I'm gonna apply my methods on how to clean this. First of all, I use a magic eraser. That's one, and then after I scrubbed it with the magic eraser, I dry it with a terry towel, and then I apply our blue juice. Our blue juice is gonna give it an extra shine, and it'll make it sparkle. And then at the end, for a polish, I use a baby oil. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this in the video. Okay, see. Okay, I got the magic eraser. I'm gonna soak it in water here. Okay, let's make sure we get a good soak. Squeeze some of the water off, and then you look at the refrigerator, see the lines of the metal of how it was made, and if they go across, then you want to wipe across. If they go down, then you want to wipe down. In this case, they go down, so I'm gonna just do like this, up and down. Okay. Cut that video. Okay, now we're gonna use our blue juice. This blue juice is good for stainless steel, glass windows, mirrors, variety of things. So this gives it an extra shine. So I'm just gonna spray it on the refrigerator. Okay, and then I'm gonna wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Okay. Up and down as well. Just as the metal, the grain. See, I flip my towel over so that it just dries a little better. Okay, now it looks nice and clean. Okay, now I will use this baby oil as a polisher, and this was gonna just give it an extra shine and make it stand out. Okay, so I'll use the same microfiber cloth, and so I'll just pick a dry side and open up the baby oil and just like so. And now again, you want to wipe up and down and give it that shine. everything's all covered. Okay. And now it's finished. I hope you can see the difference on the left side and the right side. I still have to do the right side, but you know, that's how you clean a stainless steel refrigerator. So I was just able to show you how to clean a refrigerator with these products. You'll need a blue juice. Okay, we sell that on our website. You'll need a magic eraser, and you need a baby oil, a terry towel, and a microfiber cloth. Okay, and I hope this helps you to clean your refrigerator at home and make it stand out. Thank you.